Powerful study habits that will improve your results. Start by identifying what you want to accomplish in each study session. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Plan out your study time in advance and try to stick to the same schedule each week. This can help you prioritize your studies and manage your time effectively. Find a study group. Join a study group that can be a great way to stay motivated and on track. You can share ideas, discuss typical concepts, and help each other stay focused. Find a comfortable and distraction-free study space. Choose a location that is quiet, well-lit, and free from distractions like TVs, phones, and social media. If you have trouble finding a suitable location at home, consider going to the library or finding a quiet cafe to study in. Take breaks and vary your study activities. It's important to give your brain a break from time to time. Take short breaks every hour or so to stretch, get some fresh air, or do something fun. You might spend some time reading, then switch to writing notes or doing practice problems. Use active learning techniques. Active learning techniques can help you better understand and retain the material you are studying. Teaching the material to someone else, summarizing the information in your own words, or creating flashcards to test your knowledge. Seek help when you need it. If you are struggling with the material, don't be afraid to ask for help. You can ask your teachers, tutors, or classmates for clarification or guidance. It's better to get help early on than to struggle on your own. Stay organized and keep track of your progress. Use tools like study guides, notes, and review sheets to help you stay organized and track your progress. This can help you identify areas where you need to focus more attention and see how far you have come. So by following these tips, you can study like a pro without getting burned out.